it's Maddie. Welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making roasted cauliflower steaks with our red pepper romesco. We love this recipe because it's easy as heck. We're slicing our cauliflower, slathering it in sauce, adding some salt, pepper, oil, and roasting it in the oven. So here at Haven's Kitchen, we've kind of have like a couple different combinations that are just absolutely no-brainers for us, and this is one of them. Cauliflower romesco, iconic. We're gonna start with cutting our cauliflower into 1-inch slices, keeping them kind of intact by not coring the vegetable. I am going to remove some of these excess leaves though. We don't want those making it into the oven. So we removed some of the excess leaves and now we're gonna cut them into our 1-inch slices. Like I said, keeping the core intact because we don't want little florets. We're aiming for kind of large steaks. All right, so we have our cauliflower sliced into these really nice steaks. This is a perfect opportunity to have kind of a meatless meal. The cauliflower itself is a great substitution for any meat that you would maybe typically see as a main dish. So we started off with squeezing some of our romesco sauce on the cauliflower, and then we're gonna drizzle with some olive oil. I've got my handy dandy paintbrush here. We're gonna spread all of this goodness all over the vegetable, getting in the nooks and crannies. This roasts beautifully, so it's gonna turn out to be so pretty, nice and orange, nice and crispy, and it's so easy. Our cauliflower is painted with our romesco and olive oil. I'm just gonna finish off with a little bit of salt. My oven is preheated to 450. You wanna make sure your oven is really hot for this recipe because we really want the cauliflower to get nice and charred, but still be kind of tender on the inside. All right, 25, 30 minutes in the oven. Our cauliflower is out of the oven, roasted to perfection. It's still tender in the middle, but a little bit crispy on the outside, which is exactly what we wanted. So now to top it off, we're gonna do a little bit of olive oil and some flaky sea salt. All right, so there you have it, our roasted cauliflower steaks with red pepper romesco. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like this video and subscribe for future recipe videos. For the full recipe and textable shopping list, click the link below. Thank you so much for watching and cook happy.